Hi, I am Manoj Vasudevan, VP Sales and Marketing from DRA Homes, and I am here to give you a heads up on our TrueLive project and the Never Again offers available only till 11 a.m. tomorrow, that's 3rd May 2020. Thanks for visiting the DRA TrueLive 24-hour online investment fest. DRA Homes has the reputation of on-time delivery every time, and we not only have a construction countdown meter at site, but also track the customer delight too. We are the only builder in South India to come up with the boldest guarantee of we deliver on time or we pay your EMI. In this lockdown period, the importance of owning a home has attained a new emotional significance while still being a safe investment option. DRA Homes is launching India's first ever dedicated co-living project, TrueLive Navalur in the IT corridor of Chennai. Investment of 39.96 lakhs in a TrueLive apartment gets you a 762 square feet, fully furnished 2-bedroom with an assured monthly rental of 17,500 per month for 5 years with zero maintenance charges. Considering the revised home loan rates of around 7.5%, your monthly EMI and your monthly returns is almost on par. And just for your information, we obtained the RERA approval for TrueLive just a few days before the lockdown happened, and we are all together in this. And during these extraordinary circumstances, we thought of sharing you an extraordinary Never Again offer, which is a rent of 17,500 per month will be provided even during the construction period till possession, and a discount of 1.58 lakhs totaling to offers worth 7.35 lakh rupees. So all you have to do is pay rupees 5,000 now and log this Never Again offer. Post the lockdown, you can visit our site within 2 weeks to finalize the unit and proceed with the booking formalities. We can understand the challenges that are there during this uncertain periods. Decision making may not be easy. So to enable that, we are sweetening the deal for you. So for all the investors who are finding it difficult to decide at this point of time, we are giving you an option where after visiting the site, in case you change your mind, we will refund the booking amount of rupees 5,000 in full, no questions asked. So just pay off the rupees 5,000 online, come to the site, you can decide on the investment later. So all you have to do is just go ahead and invest in an apartment with the Never Again offer available only till 11 a.m. tomorrow, and be a smarter investor with the DRA family. Meanwhile, stay home, stay safe. We'll see you at the site. Thank you.